Hi everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review for the AUKEY dashboard camera. And this is it. Let's go ahead and open the box. Surprisingly small. I imagine something bigger. 2 years warranty. Comes with wire holders and these two simple mounts for the windshield. And two extra adhesive pads. Nice. Let's see what kind of cables are included in this. So great. It has a regular USB cable to mini USB. They actually included a dual USB charger here, which frankly I think now at these days they should just not include it anymore and put it in the product description that you need a USB port to be able to operate the device. Anyway, it looks like a really long cable. Good stuff. Let's see the actual device. So the way this thing is supposed to work is that you wedge it like that and you can change the angle of the lens or camera to however you like. And you know what? I like it because this way it's really flush with the windshield. We're gonna have to see how it works out. There's a lot of vents here, which is good. It's very light. So I'm gonna mount it. I'm going to use it for at least a week and we're gonna see how it works. And I'm gonna put some sample videos for you to compare to other dash cams. So I had a few days that I tested and I looked at the footage of the AUKEY dash cam, and I have to say it's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I do think that the Yi model that has 1080p at 60 frames per second is way better, but they do have differences. This one has capacitors and it also has an option for a GPS receiver, so something the Yi doesn't have, so keep that in mind. I also very much like the way this attaches to the windshield. It really just attaches really close to the windshield. It doesn't take much space. It doesn't stick out. Okay, so this is the mount for the AUKEY dash cam, and the way it just sticks there, and then you can go ahead and just attach it, and you see how it's like flush. I'm going to show you how it looks from the outside too. This is how it looks from the outside. I mean, it's not that noticeable. I wish they made the sticker black. You know what I'm saying? So you wouldn't be able to see that white patch. One minus about this, which I think may be pretty big, is that it takes it about 10 seconds to start recording. So you could potentially be driving in, say, a parking lot without it recording for a few seconds. Something to keep in mind. The Wii recorded almost instantly. So I think it's quite the minus. So that's about it. I'm gonna post sample videos between this one and the Yi that's equivalent to this in price. I'm going to link both of them in the description so you know which one I'm talking about. I'm going to try to put them side by side where the same field of view is shown. So you know how sometimes some reviewers, they cut it and they show different sides? No, you want to see how the video quality looks for the same item. So I'm going to cut it and shift the video so you can see the same items that are showing on both cameras. Now, I drove with both cameras at the same time. That's why I have the footage from both of them. All right, so it took me a long time to make this video. Please, thumb up. If you really hated it, go ahead, click the dislike button, but please let me know why so I can improve future videos, and I would really appreciate that. Also, if you would like to see more videos coming from my channel, click the subscribe button. It's free. Hey, why not? You can always unsubscribe. And also, you know what? Write in the comments which one you think was better. I'm pretty curious because it's kind of hard to say.